Welcome to our AgriQuiz channel. Now,
Thank
for all the aspirants, ICR JRF who are preparing for ICR JRF exam, for all the aspirants, we are here introducing all the top rankers for your guidance. Their experience, they'll guide you and they'll suggest you many more things. So always keep watching. Now, today we have Vipin Dikshit sir, the first ranker in agronomy ICR JRF. And let's find out more details about that and at present in which university he is studying. He is studying in IRI Delhi, and he completed his graduation in Meerut, Sardar Vallabhai Patel University. And let's go more deep and let's take introduction about him in more detailed way, how he prepared for his examination, how he scored the top rank, the first rank in ICR JRF agronomy subject, and with marks of 357. It's really great to hear, right? So let's introduce and welcome Vipin Dikshit sir. Please welcome sir.
Thank you, AgriQuiz to Cameron. Hi everyone, myself Vipin Dikshit. I have graduated from Sardar Vallabhai Patel University of Agriculture, Meerut, and I have secured All India first rank in JRF Agronomy 2020. And I'm also the topper of the university, my university.
Wonderful, sir. Wonderful, sir. Great to hear. How you're feeling? Did you really think that you will achieve this? You will get the first rank, you'll top the rank, and how is your feeling, sir?
I'm glad about that. I have successfully completed our first step of our dream, and I would like to thank God and all respected seniors, parents for help to achieve this position. And before examination, I never think that I'll got first rank. But after I've seen the question paper pattern, I've confirmed about that. I am under 10 student in India.
Wonderful, sir. So, sir, अभी ये क्वेश्चन पेपर पैटर्न ये कैसा रहता? कितना मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन पेपर है? क्वेश्चन पेपर पैटर्न कैसा रहता? क्या-क्या रहता? One small brief description about the question paper, please, sir.
Yeah, last year's previous question paper 150 questions come, but exam pattern changed 120 questions in 2020, and this year the question paper is concept based, and statement type questions come, and also some important questions about precision farming there is now current in agriculture. So स्टूडेंट्स से मेरा ये कहना है कि जो भी आप जेआरएफ एग्रोनॉमी है तो उसमें आप करंट एग्रीकल्चर के जो भी क्वेश्चंस है प्रेसिडेंट फार्मिंग से रिलेटेड हैं आप उनको प्रॉपरली इंटरनेट से आप कलेक्ट करते रहना चाहिए।
ओके सर, तो क्वेश्चन पेपर अभी वो भी आपके हिसाब से बहुत इजी आया बोलते हैं। वंडरफुल सर। सो तो ये एग्रोनॉमी सब्जेक्ट आपका फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट है कि otherwise you wanted your wishfully selected this agronomy subject, or what's your opinion, sir?
Yeah, it's my favorite subject, and पहले मैं स्टार्ट किया जो एग्रीकल्चर एग्रोनॉमी मेरा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट था, बट आफ्टर मीटिंग IRI PhD स्कॉलर डॉक्टर हसनैन सर आई कंफर्म दैट कि मैं अब एग्रोनॉमी से ही तैयारी करूंगा। तो उन्होंने मुझे इंस्पायर किया कि आप JRF के एग्रोनॉमी से प्रिपरेशन करो और आपका एग्रोनॉमी अच्छे से तैयार है। तो उनके इंस्पिरेशन से मैंने फिर स्टार्ट किया JRF एग्रोनॉमी का प्रिपरेशन।
Wow, great sir, you really took the great inspiration. And sir, can you please suggest us ये एग्जाम के लिए पढ़ने के लिए क्या-क्या बुक्स पढ़ना पड़ता, कैसा टाइम टेबल, हाउ वाज योर टाइम टेबल, स्टडी टाइम टेबल, स्ट्रेटजी, एंड व्हाट ऑल बुक्स you have followed?
Yeah, about timetable, near about 13 hours in a day I have studied, and books I have completed firstly that are fundamental books of agriculture, that are fundamental of agriculture by Arun Katyan, and in the agronomy fundamental books are that are principle of agronomy by Reddy Reddy, and Principle of Agronomy by S.R. Reddy. These two books are fundamental books for agronomy, and it covers almost all portions, that is concept and other principles are covered in these books.
So we need to prepare only for agronomy, only with the agronomy books, or any more subjects, and what all additional optional subjects are there, sir?
In JRF agronomy, particular agronomy, you should prepare also for genetics and crop physiology also, because 10 to 15 questions are also comes from these subjects, and
Okay,
you
sir.
have to.
From which books we need to refer to?
For the crop physiology, you should consider Arun Katyan volume 2nd, and for the genetics and plant breeding, you should go for Angro Notes.
Okay, sir. Wonderful, sir. And what all the general agriculture books we need to follow for this, sir?
In my opinion, you should take seriously the semester course and properly thoroughly study your semester courses, because of in agronomy exam, general agriculture portions come from your semester course. And
Okay.
for the general agriculture objective books, I prefer the Objective Agriculture by S.R. Kantwa and Nimra Sunda. These two books are very important for this.
Okay, sir. Wonderful. That means we need to be thorough and perfect with our semester notes. Wonderful, sir. I think you are the topper in your semester.
Important role.
You that easily scored this rank. Wonderful, sir. Sir, and how was your plan, sir? How many years or months or how many days it takes to crack this exam? How our
I think
preparation should be?
any JRF aspirant from any other subject, not only agronomy, they should read last 6 semester for a semester, and after that 1 year is sufficient for the JRF examination.
Okay, sir. In 1 year,
Because in last year there is no pressure for the semester exams also.
yes, sir. Yes, that's what. In last year completely, if we concentrate on the ICR JRF exam, then you are like compulsory we can crack it, we can score it. Wonderful, sir. So how can we plan it? I mean, in a day, how much time we need to spend for this preparation, sir? How need to balance according to your experience? Can you please share us few things, sir?
I think for an agronomy JRF aspirant, they should cover topic-wise portions. Firstly, they cover theoretical portions in their topic, as like water management, weed management, soil fertility. So they cover their theoretical portions topic-wise, and after all this, all objective question papers related to particular these type of topics.
Okay, sir, wonderful. And the complete reference of books, you have mentioned few books, right? Only those books we need to refer for this preparation, or any more, anything are there, sir? The complete
Yeah.
list of for preparation.
First you complete fundamental portions of agronomy, that is principles of agronomy, SRD, Reddy, and after contribute the agronomic terminology by Indian Council of Agronomy, and for crop production, you should consider both volume of Dr. Rajendra Prasad, that is crop production, and one the most important book for the last year, for the 2 or 3 months, Objective Agronomy by R.S. Meena. That is the most important. It covers all the aspects and lessons of agronomy.
Wonderful, sir. That's what. If we get to know from the experienced persons, and that to the first ranker person, then we'll get more tips and tips and tricks to cover this and to prepare for our examination, right? So wonderfully, with his experiences, he is suggesting us many more books. So please refer this and go to this. And not only he, it's needed for many aspirants to come forward and crack the ICR JRF examinations. Wonderful, sir. So, sir, and at present, are you preparing for any examinations or any entrance exams? What's your present situation, sir?
My first step is for the SRF, and
SRF.
nothing all exam. No.
and other IBPS, AO4, all these government examinations? Are you not
No,
targeting
no.
for them?
Before the result are declared, uh, I fill the application form of IBFO, but at this time only I'm only preparation for SRA.
Okay, sir. Sir, and at present, in which college you are pursuing? As we already know, you are pursuing your masters in IRA. Once, can you please briefly explain about it, how and what is there?
And I'm provisionally admitted in Indian Agriculture Research Institute, Pusa, New Delhi.
Yes, sir. Now, SRF also, you are going to continue there itself, isn't?
Uh, I'm unable
Now,
to hear what you say.
sir, now SRF also, you are going to continue there itself, isn't, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Sir, and about your university, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University, how was there your preparation and their support, and how about that university, please? Few details.
Okay, okay. In my university, जो भी हम JRF एस्पिरेंट्स हैं, जो भी किसी भी सब्जेक्ट से प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, तो हम लोगों में एक ग्रुप होता है, अलग अलग ग्रुप वाइज हम लोग करते हैं, और आपस में ही जो भी हर क्वेश्चन पेपर बनाते हैं, तो हमें एक माइंड बनाते हैं, तो उसमें हमको इतना सा एक्सपीरियंस मिल जाता है कि कैसा कौन सा क्वेश्चन का इसका कौन सा आंसर हो सकता है.
ओके ओके सर, वंडरफुल सर. सो अभी हमें ये प्रिपरेशन करने के लिए कोई कोचिंग सेंटर को जाना जरूरी है क्या? इज दैट रियली इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर टेकिंग एनी कोचिंग क्लासेस
No, if you
separately?
have willpower, then you self study is sufficient for this exam, any exam. And I get coaching, but not officially, because of in IRI seniors that come in my university and get coaching classes.
Okay,
This
sir.
will
Without
provide
any
a knowledge that is not in books.
wonderful, sir.
Extra
Without any
knowledge.
coaching, without self study, we can achieve it, isn't sir?
Yeah, yeah, it is
One.
sufficient for this.
Okay, sir. Thank you. And sir, to for this preparation, while preparation, have you visited any websites? Like, can you please suggest us few or agriculture websites or channels which we can refer?
Yeah, मैं आपके चैनल का भी सब्सक्राइबर रहा हूँ, फॉलोअर रहा हूँ, और मैंने
Yes.
आपके चैनल से भी काफी कुछ सीखा है.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. We are really proud for that. And any more channels, sir? Can you please suggest for our aspirants which they can go and refer and get a lot?
Only books and your channels and IRI seniors are sufficient for this achievement.
Yes, following our seniors and listening to like you toppers, and also referring the books. This will be much more sufficient
Yeah.
for preparation for our examination, isn't? Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So now there are thousands of members who are preparing for this examination, who are appearing each year. So can you please suggest any one good motivation point, or can you please suggest anything for them who are going to appear for those exams?
जो भी JRF एस्पिरेंट्स हैं, किसी भी सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, जो एंटोमोलॉजी है, एग्रोनॉमी है, किसी भी प्लांट साइंस से है, तो मैं उनसे यही कहना चाहूंगा कि वो अगर स्टडी करें तो विदाउट प्रेशर उन्हें करना चाहिए, कोई बर्डन नहीं लेना चाहिए, बिकॉज आप जितना भी आपके पास टाइम है तो उसे वेस्ट ना कर दें, और एक विल पावर के साथ आप अपनी प्रिपरेशन करें. और ऐसा नहीं है कि जो भी टाइम आपके पास है, जितना भी टाइम है आप उसमें कर सकते हो, अच्छे से कर सकते हो. और जो भी आप बुक्स पढ़े उसे क्लियरली थोरोली स्टडी करें आप उसे, और उसी से आप ऑब्जेक्टिव बनाएं, अच्छे से पढ़ें. और नथिंग इज डिफिकल्ट, एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल.
Everything is possible. That's what. Nothing is impossible. Wonderful, sir. It's really great hearing to you and talking to you, and we get to know lot more points. We need to prepare our own objectives. We need to prepare our own objectives and also solve them, rather than
Yeah.
these coaching centers and all these things. On self-study, making a perfect timetable and following the list of all these books, and preparing and visiting all the websites and solving all the question papers. This will really help us to track our JRF examination. Great talking to you, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So every day, please keep watching AgriQuiz channel, where you are going to find lot more toppers. We are going to introduce you, and we can talk to them, and we will get to know a lot more information from. Today we have completed in agronomy, and tomorrow we are going to come up with another subject in that week. So please stay tuned. Thank you so much. Thank you.